Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Here at Rome Tech, we're diving into Keeper for Teams, a password management solution designed for businesses and collaborative work environments. Find links to the product and special offers in the description below. Let's explore what makes Keeper for Teams a powerful choice for protecting and organizing your organization's sensitive digital information. Keeper for Teams stands out by delivering enterprise-level security without sacrificing usability. Its core strength lies in its zero-knowledge encryption architecture. This means your data is always encrypted, even Keeper itself can't decrypt and access your passwords. Seamless integration with established identity providers such as Azure AD, Okta, and Google Workspace simplifies onboarding and administration for IT teams. Sharing credentials securely within a team is crucial, and Keeper for Teams excels in this area. It provides robust sharing capabilities that allow team members to exchange sensitive information without compromising security. Granular, role-based access controls ensure that individuals only have access to the information necessary for their roles, restricting sensitive data to authorized personnel. Keeper for Teams also boasts comprehensive reporting and auditing functionalities. Administrators can easily generate detailed logs to track password strength, access attempts, and identify potential security vulnerabilities. This robust auditing capability helps maintain compliance with industry security standards. For businesses that prioritize cybersecurity, Keeper offers integrations with security information and event management, CM, systems and dark web monitoring services. These integrations provide alerts if any credentials are compromised, enabling proactive security measures. User experience is a key focus of Keeper for Teams. The intuitive app design provides a consistent experience across desktop, mobile, and browser extensions, ensuring accessibility from anywhere. The Vault's autofill feature streamlines logins, boosting team productivity while reducing login friction. Keeper for Teams is a versatile solution suitable for organizations of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises seeking to protect their digital assets. With competitive pricing and scalable features, it represents a valuable investment in your company's security infrastructure. That concludes our review of Keeper for Teams. Explore the links in the description for more information or to start your free trial today. We encourage you to share your experiences with Keeper in the comments section below. Thanks for watching Rome Tech.